Hello and welcome to Tom's Toolbox. I'm Tom Clark. I am your host, and today we're going to show you WD-40 Specialist Non-Aerosol Cleaner and Degreaser. Now, this product is formulated to be powerful, safe, and easy. The powerful industrial strength formula cuts through tough grease and grime quickly. But before I do the demo, you know what we got to do. Yes, put on the appropriate PPE. Why? Because we always have to make sure that we're safe. We got to do whatever the job calls for. For this, it calls for glasses. For you, it could be something different. So whatever your job calls for, make sure you're doing the appropriate PPE. Okay, here we go. We got some nasty, grimy, grubby, greasy chain that we're hanging here. But WD-40 to the rescue. Now, I want you to watch this. I'm going to spray this, and this stuff is going to come dripping off. Okay. Seriously, no, you may not believe me, but it's coming down. You can just see, I can just see a difference already in the color right there. It's absolutely amazing. Well, I'll do this one too. There you go. You can see how it tackles the dirty job so easily. And with the anti-corrosive additives, it leaves a protective film on bare metals. Another wonderful thing that WD-40 does. You see, WD-40 Specialist Non-Aerosol Cleaner and Degreaser is Safer Choice certified. It meets the highest EPA standards for safety and biodegradability, and it's safe to use in food processing facilities. It's also safe on multiple surfaces as well, and it comes in 24-ounce, 32-ounce, 1 gallon, and a 55-gallon drum if you have like 5 or 6 kids and they're really messy and you just want to like dunk them in there. No, don't dunk them in there. I'm just kidding. But if your facility calls for it, you can get it in a 55-gallon drum. Now, the ready-to-use formula doesn't need to be diluted, and the 24-ounce spray, check this out. You can unscrew that top right there. You get your gallon, fill it back up, and there you have it. WD-40 Specialist Non-Aerosol Cleaner and Degreaser powerfully and easily gets the job done and won't harm surfaces. It doesn't get any better than that. Well, that's going to do it for this edition of Tom's Toolbox. Hey, you can check out more videos on the website, mihowto.com, with me, Tom Clark, as your host. And remember, PPE, priority number 1. Always wear the appropriate PPE for whatever the job calls for. I did, so you really should too. Thanks so much for watching. We'll catch you next time.